Alright, in this video I am going to be exploring and trying to figure out how to use a sash clamp. So a sash clamp, you see at one end, looks a bit like a vice, a normal vice, a table vice. They can be very long, and this one's been in storage in my garage for years and I've never bothered using it, but I do need to use it soon. So here it is, all the way there, and it's probably come in two parts. There's probably another length as long. What do you use sash clamps for? For clamping things that are very long, to keep them from kind of flying apart basically, and give you a bit more control. Right, so that's what it looks like in when it's all packed up. Let's see if I can clean this up a bit, take it apart and clean it up. Right, so I've taken it apart, and the company is Rosen, and the official logo is that one, and this apparently is guaranteed Rosen number 4. Not sure what the number 4 stands for. So I've got one bit nearer to me, upside down. So let's turn that the right way around. Now it sits there like that. So it's in two parts. We've got rails. On the rails there's holes. I was thinking, hang on a minute, the screw's not big enough to run the length of the... But what it is once you take one of these little kind of handles off, and I really need to grease this because it hasn't seen any kind of oil and it's still okay, and you rotate it, it does that. Alright, and simply being, there's a pin here and you can move these to wherever you want along the rail, and you can insert the pin like so. I wonder if there's a... Nope, there's no opposite bit where you put another pin. It just sits there like that, and then you can just kind of clamp things and release things. And I'm just wondering why there's a pair of them, and do they face each other? I don't think so. Looks like you can clamp a pair of things at the same time. Alright, so, and yeah, of course you can drill this into wood so to keep it stable. So that's it, a sash clamp. Never really used one. I know it's been sitting there for such a long time. Alright, so it comes in pairs. You can use them in pairs, but exactly what you use it for is kind of, it really depends if you've got a very long thing you want to clamp and keep hold of. Alright, okay then, thanks for watching.